Hey guys, like, subscribe, bell, face. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's going on? So normally when you see me in the kitchen and I am just, you know, it tends to be like a recipe video, and that is exactly what this is. It is a super easy recipe, but a recipe nonetheless. This video is sponsored, and it is sponsored by Nutstop.com. So if you guys remember, back in December, I did a keto Nutella recipe featuring their hazelnuts. A few weeks or a month-ish prior, I did just a review on their products in general. I am now doing another recipe video featuring their products. It is the simplest recipe to do. It is a fun little keto cookie cluster thing. My favorite cookie that my mom used to make when I was younger was called a haystack cookie. They're super easy. It is literally just chow mein noodles with chocolate on top, or like they're clumped together. We call them haystack cookies. And I was kind of craving them, so I was like, well, what can I do to kind of get that crunch without the carbs from the chow mein noodles? And I was like, I have so much Nutstop stuff. So I kind of looked through the cabinets, figured out what I had, what I would need, and I made this thing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. In order to get started with this recipe, you will need only 5 things. 90 grams of raw shelled pumpkin seeds, 90 grams of lightly chopped macadamia nuts, an entire 7-ounce bag of Lolli's semi-sweet style baking chips. You can obviously use whatever flavor you want, but these are 0 net carbs per serving. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 4 tablespoons of unsweetened coconut flakes. You will also need a baking sheet with a silpat mat and a bowl and a spatula. So your first step is going to be to melt the Lolli's chocolate chips with the coconut oil. So you're gonna do the majority of the chocolate chips and just leave a few out to add to your mixture once everything is melted. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the microwave, see how long this takes. Okay, so this is a 1-minute melt. Oh, it smells so coconutty. So the coconut oil will help smooth out the chocolate. It will also give it a nice shine so that your clusters are all pretty. All right, your next step, add the rest of the stuff. Coconut flakes, Nutstop pumpkin seeds, Nutstop macadamia nuts, since I am a chocoholic, I am gonna go ahead and take the last few remaining chocolate chips and add them into the mix. Let's go ahead and add 1 more serving of the coconut. So the size of your clusters is completely up to you. I like to use my handy dandy little Scoopy Doo and scoop them out onto the silpat mat. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in the freezer until they are firm, and I will show you what they look like when they come out. Guys, so the clusters are done. They were in the freezer for about 45 minutes and they are solid. My macros are amazing. They're only 8 grams of fat per cluster, 1 net carb. Yours will vary depending on what you use, depending on if you use the same Lolli's, if you use more or less coconut, that type of stuff. This is definitely like something that you can mix your own ingredients into. I just happen to like this combination. A little bit of macadamia, a little bit of pumpkin seeds, gives it a crunch, sweet enough with the Lolli's. They're beautiful. If you guys make these, please tag me in your photos on Instagram. I wanna see if you do them exactly how I did, or if you make your own keto clusters. So definitely tag me on Instagram if you do not follow me over there. It is the same name. I am at ErinDoesTheKeto. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed making these. They were super easy, super fun, and like there's virtually no cleanup. Like I can just paper towel the crumbs from the nuts out of the bowls. So I'm actually going to enjoy one of these, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, also 10% off discount code for you in the description box if you want to give Nutstop a shot. I will also have in the iCards the links to the other Nutstop videos. All right guys, bye.